were just joking back there. One of the guys in our group, Kevin, he's actually Tyler's dad. He brings a lot of food on these rides in his backpack, and I was just saying, I'm excited to stop up here and see what Kevin brought for me to eat. Always a good time. That's what we're doing. We're just having a good time.
Hey guys, so as you could see from reading on the screen there, this ride was actually with the bike in total stock form with the stock ECU. I've got about 40 hours on the bike at the time of this ride, and the bike runs pretty dang good. It just doesn't run perfect, and so what I've been trying to do is trying to tune this thing so it will run right. The last couple of videos that have come out have been after this ride, and it's showing me playing around with the Get ECU. I'm still trying to sort that out and see if I can make the bike run perfectly, and once I get more information on that, I will give it to you. Just in full disclosure, also, I have procured two 2020 KTM XC bikes that are the TPI bikes, and I want to start riding those as well. So what I'm going to do is, once I can get this bike completely sorted out and get it running the way I want it to run, I'm going to give it to one of my riding buddies and let them just continue to slam the hours into it, because I still am committed in taking this bike to 100 hours and beyond, and see what happens with the oil pump and see what happens with the cylinder and all those things. So we're still going to put a long-term test on this bike. I'm just not going to do all the hours on it. I'll have the first 50 hours, and then I'll let a riding buddy put the next 50 or so into the thing. And so that's how I plan on doing it, because I've had this bike for over a year now, and I need to move on to some other things. This bike has been amazing for me, and it'll still be my hard enduro bike as we go up into Idaho and do some different things. And it's been fantastic. It's just that it hasn't run perfectly, and I want it to run perfect like the other TPIs that I've had. So everyone's worried about these, you know, the KTM TPIs. Yes, they're not perfect, but the 5 other ones that I've ridden and put significant time on and owned have all been very good. This one just isn't as good as the others.
There's neutral. That time when you think you're in second gear and you accidentally bump to neutral without meaning it, which is, I guess, what accidental means, right? Yeah, that was then. Your gas. You probably turn your gas off.
Forget what that's like.
Yeah, there's one thing I don't miss on these. No gas you have to mess with. Gas petcock. What's that?
Can you tell the difference between the TPI and the not TPI version?
Generally, the TPIs run flawlessly versus the carbs. They're kind of, but this one doesn't. This one doesn't run perfect.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Real quick and eat lunch up there, or have a snack up there?
Yeah, we might as well go look at it. Love it, love it, love it. We just had a little lunch, little snack break back there on a sweet ridge. feel like. Now we're on it. Yeah, I think we can. Where are we going?
Which way do you want?
Can we go this way or not?
Yeah, we promise.